Good morning, traders. It is August the 23rd, 2021. We're just waiting for the markets to open and going to be monitoring how Pixel does. We're hoping for a pop, but like I said, this is one of those stocks that likes to roll over once in a while, and we're hoping for something different today. So just watch the open and see how things trade. All right, the market has opened. We're looking for Pixel to push past $5 in the morning and take it higher. I've got some trades, sell orders at around the 550 area, but I'll see how the prices react. I might get out a little bit sooner just to scale some profits out, but I'm hoping to hit 550 at least. If not, we get another dollar day. As expected, we're going to see a battle for the $5 level before the stock basically decides and makes up its mind to go one way or the other. But yeah, let's just watch the action. What's most likely happening is a lot of investors are waking up this morning just surprised at the price level of $5 after several years. There are a lot of longs in here that have been trapped. So I'm thinking that for sure that a lot of them will be taking early profits right here, in fear of, watching their profits evaporate once again. And this has happened time and time again for a lot of Pixel longs. So I think until we get that final sell-off of the early bag holders, as I'd like to call them, and that's myself included. I'm a bag holder. I'm still a long, and still holding. So we'll see where we get. Okay, looks like this is the first push up. We're at 512, and I'm hoping for prices to go to 525 in pre-market. We did hit 520. So once we take this out, we could probably see another 25 cents pop, and hopefully I'll get the fill that I'm looking for. And I can start to feel a little bit more happier and relieved that, it having sit in this stock for a long time, I'm starting to basically collect some profits. But if that doesn't happen, that's fine. I'm willing to sit in this stock as long as it takes for the actual move to take place. This is not one of those stocks where I'm kind of worried about my holdings and wanting to basically sell for a quick profit. That was just my wife knocking on the door as I'm recording, basically telling me that Pixel is up. And so, yeah, I'm glad she's on top of events as much as I am. I think we're both kind of excited to see where prices will trade to today. There is a lot of bag of nerves that are basically in play right now, and you can watch that on the price as it rallies up and down at this level, trying to decide if it's going to go higher or not. We're getting some good volume right now. We're already at 1 million shares traded. So that is amazing for a stock that on average trades around 300,000 shares on a daily average. It's hit 700K, but I would say on the regular it's 300K. So we've already got some volume coming in, which is a good sign, but I'm looking for that push higher. I'm still not convinced until I actually see my limit orders being taken out that this is the real deal. So my profits right now are already at 100K. I think a lot of people who are trapped, they're probably taking their profits early. And it's kind of hard to sit here and just in profit and not take some off the table after sitting in a stock for so long and waiting for it to actually wake up. I've also got a AMD swing trade on, and it looks like it's rallying today. So let's take a quick look at that. We've got this wedge formation that has been taking place. I've been slowly accumulating and trading my way into break even. And it looks like we finally got the pop. I've got my first order at 108. And price right now is trading at 107. Unfortunately, for some reason, it's not showing the P&L. But this is a swing trade that I've been in since last week. So this one looks like it's starting to work out for me and in the money, but keep an eye on it. But my main one is Pixel, and wanted to see some profits materialize in that stock. Yeah, I don't know why, but for some reason, when I look at the AMD, my charts are messed up. I'm not seeing any candles being drawn, a lot of question marks. We've got this book trader. I'm not seeing my P&L. I've got 800 shares on. It's basically telling me that I've got an unrealized profit of $1,800 on this swing trade, which is awesome. I mean, I'd be happy taking 2,000 on this one, but I'm going to be scaling out of the AMD swing trade and basically shooting for 115. It's a long basically kind of hold, but hopefully if I can scale out, I can sit in this trade a little bit longer and just let it work itself out. So I think I'm going to take off 200 shares right here. There we go. Took 200 off the table. I've got 600 shares still trading. I'm not going to be too greedy. And we've got the high at 107 for AMD, so that's looking nice. We're looking for this candle to be basically breached and we get our rally higher. A lot going on in the markets. I'm basically missing out on the ES futures, which I usually trade. I would be trading aggressively, but right now I'm just monitoring my positions and basically taking a break from active trading. Let's come back to Pixel. We're already up 70 cents for the day. We're struggling to basically get past the 525 level, which seems to be the upper limit right now, set in overnight markets. Yeah, I'm just hoping that I'm making a good call here, sitting tight on Pixel and watching it basically move higher from here. But yeah, you never know. I might actually be tempted to take some off at 525 if it gets a reset or a retest, but we'll see. So it looks like AMD is backing down a bit from its high, and we'll see how things go, but I'm going in with another 100 shares. Looks like I'm not getting filled. Seems like my broker is execution is pretty sloppy. I won't tell you who I trade with, but if you figure it out, great for you. But yeah, I'm not here to promote anyone or any packages or anything like that. So there we go. I've got a fill I went in with the $100, 100 shares there. Just basically taking a little bit of dessert off the table. That's all. It's kind of trading off my main position. Not too worried about AMD right now. It's still early in its swing trade, so let's see what happens. We've definitely broken out of this wedge here, so that's a good sign. Markets are up today, so that's a positive. And yeah, we'll see what happens. All right, looks like I got my fill. That was quick. So I'm back to 600 shares. Just took a dessert off the table. And then, again, I'd probably be trading this aggressively if I wasn't watching my pixel position. And it looks like it's struggling to get past the 526 level here. Still a lot of bag of nerves in Pixel right now. I can imagine everyone's waking up excited right now and they're grabbing their profits and running. Something I think I should be doing right now, but no, I think I'm going to sit tight. I want to hit my 550. I basically scaling out at 547. Then I've got 560 and 585. I've basically broken out the positions that I had last night to go all out at 550, but we'll see. I want to see how it reacts when it breaks through 526 here. Unfortunately, you can't see my sell orders here. I've already got the sell limits, but you're able to see them drawn in here with the red lines. So we'll see how things go. Oh, I got taken out before I could move that. I might actually take a little bit off at 108 on AMD. I have a feeling that price is going to move towards very swiftly soon. It's a magic number, and that should attract a lot of bulls basically gunning for it right now. So this sync trade has already netted me approximately $2,000. Still not cashed out, so can't count your profits too early. I have a feeling this is going to be a long day in Pixel, basically to get to my price target. We're already up 50 cents, so I mean, I'm kind of pushing it by expecting this to basically rally another 50 cents, which is like $1 in a day. Um, based on Friday's move, which was 70 cents. I think Pixel going up 70 cents today is a good call to kind of exit on some positions. I'm going to be right back. I'll let this video keep rolling, and I'll check back in a minute or two. Hey guys, I'm back. Looks like Pixel is slowly rolling over, doing what it does best. I'm second guessing, holding on to my positions after such a long period, but you just gotta grit your way through it. And I'm hoping that this is the beginning of a new uptrend. But we'll see what happens, and hopefully we get a push higher past 526. I'm basically going to stop video recording now, and I'll catch you guys later.